We already know that the Lincoln Lawyer Season 4 won't be featuring any characters from Prime Video's Bosch, due to the exclusivity rights to the show's intellectual property held by Amazon. But there will be another determined and no-nonsense lapped homicide detective appearing in the Netflix legal thriller's latest season. The absence of Harry Bosch, one of TV's best-ever detectives, is something of a loss to any season of The Lincoln Lawyer in which he could have played his part. Still, the arrival of the LAPD's Kent Drucker in Season 4 will go some way to making up for that loss, particularly as Drucker shares some personal characteristics with Bosch. It's been widely reported that the Lincoln Lawyer Season 4 will introduce a new formidable adversary for Mickey Haller to contend with, in the form of lawyer Dana Berg, who'll be prosecuting him for murder. But Berg will ultimately rely on Detective Drucker's perseverance in collecting evidence against Mickey to make her case. The Lincoln Lawyer Season 4 will star Jason Butler Harner as Lap Detective Kent Drucker. Ozark star Jason Butler Harner has been cast in the role of Detective Kent Drucker, who should prove to be one of the Lincoln Lawyer's most intriguing new characters. Drucker will be leading the police investigation into the murder of Sam Scales in Season 4 of the show. Although Harner is listed as a guest star in the series, his character will play a significant part in the procedural side of things in terms of the evidence used in Mickey Haller's trial. What's more, Drucker is just as determined as prosecutor Death Row Dana Berg that someone will be brought to justice for killing Scales. Unfortunately for Mickey, he's the one in the firing line, because it was in the trunk of his car that Scales' body was found at the end of Season 3. Things don't look good for Haller, and Detective Drucker will be a thorn in his side as he attempts to prove his innocence. Without Harry Bosch, Drucker is the only police detective to appear in Season 4. The Lincoln Lawyer's showrunner Dalen Rodriguez has already talked about how Season 4 plans to solve its Harry Bosch problem by giving some of Bosch's private investigation work from The Law of Innocence, the novel on which the season is based, to Cisco Wojciechowski. But Kent Drucker will also be a factor in solving this problem. Just like Bosch, Drucker is a no-nonsense police detective in the LAPD's homicide unit. It'd be no surprise if, in the world of Michael Connelly's Bosch and Haller novels, the two detectives know each other well, and have worked together before. As well as their hard-boiled exteriors, Bosch and Drucker share multiple personality traits, including an obsessive drive to put killers behind bars. Mickey Haller is going to find out just how similar Drucker is to his half-brother when he comes up against him in the Lincoln Lawyer's new season. Detective Drucker investigates Mickey's potential role in Sam Scales' murder. Despite Detective Drucker's similarities to Harry Bosch, though, he doesn't quite have the same knack for uncovering the true nature of the cases he's working on. He'll spend most of the Lincoln Lawyer Season 4 persisting with the evidence against Mickey Haller, instead of considering other possible culprits behind the killing of Sam Scales.